Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video for you, and it is another glam box from Ipsy. I'm not showing the front of it because I don't want my name and address out there. So if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So for now, let's jump right into this. I'm so excited for this box. So this box is curated by Huda, which is her. And it says, "Own Your Beauty." Huda Cadden is putting the boss back in Beauty Boss. So, the first thing we have is In Transit, No Traces, Rose water and man-infused pads gently remove makeup and daily pollution. And then it says this works, and there's 60 pads in here. And let's see what it retails for if it'll tell me. Sometimes it doesn't tell you everything that's in here. So these pads retail for $27. And these cleansing pads make it easy to remove makeup, excess oil, and buildup on the go, while also nourishing your skin. Then we have Rare Beauty, and says, "With gratitude dewy lip balm, praise a hydrating fuss-free balm that adds a hint of Just Kiss color and soft shine." So that's the lip gloss or lip balm. And I don't think it is in here. I don't see this one in here for the retail. Okay, so it retails for $16. And it says there's nothing basic about this lip balm. It uses nourishing shea butter and botanical ingredients like lotus, gardenia, and white water lily to soothe dry, chapped lips and help lock in moisture. Plus, the sheer tan looks gorgeous on all skin tones. And Huda's tip is, one coat gives the prettiest sheer wash, but I also love to layer it for an extra pop of color. Then we have Eclat Skin London. Charcoal black peel-off mask. And let's see what it retails for. Okay, so this retails for $48.34. Its deep cleaning charcoal acts like a magnet to absorb excess oil, buildup, and debris from your pores for skins that's smooth and clear. Then we have a leave-on Dead Sea Mud. It's foot cream. It says for dry and sensitive skin. Relief, and it's a Hava Mud. So let's see what this retails for. Okay, so it retails for $29. Give sore, tired, and cracked feet the TLC they deserve with this blend of nourishing Dead Sea Mud, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. I need to just start doing my reviews and my videos. I have so many products, I could do so much tutorials or videos or reviews for. I need to get on that. It's just been a crazy thing. So then I have Problem for Deep Lines. It's from Gold Fading MD. Solution Needleless Line Smoothing Concentrate. It says Dr. Gold Fading Smoothing Serum is the ultimate non-invasion solution to reduce the appearance of fine line depth. So let's see if I can find this. Yeah, it just comes all that thing. You had to find it, and some of it's on a different page. But I'm getting there. Okay, so this retails for $165. It says fewer fine lines, no injectables needed. Sounds like a dream, right? Nope. This powerful anti-aging serum does just that with moisture boosting hyaluronic acid and filming seaweed extract. Hood's tip: press the serum into clean, dry skin to help boost absorption and efficiency. And it's only 1.7 ounces and it's $168. So that stuff should work like a charm. Alright, then we have Huda Beauty Glow Coco Hydrating Mist. And the stuff is kind of backward because the way I'm filming. So let's see if I can find it. I don't think I can find that. Hydrating Mist. Sorry guys, I'm trying to find the retail for this. Okay, so I do not see that one in here. Okay, that one's not in here, so we're going to go to the next. So then we have a Clean Rinse Clarifying Scalp Serum from Sunday Riley. I don't think that one's in here either. Clean Rinse Clarifying Scalp. Okay, so it retails for $48. And it says this AHA BHA infused rinse off serum clarifies the scalp of product buildup, excess oil, dead skin, and pollution for a cleaner, healthier looking scalp and refreshed hair. Huda's tip is section off your hair with a comb to get an even scalp application. And da-da-da-da, I can't believe this is in here. I bought one of these about 6 months ago and I paid like $90 for it. But I have another PMD brush and it's for facial cleansing and all that. So I guess since I already have one, I can do a giveaway for this channel, but it's going to take a while. If I can reach 200 subscribers, I will do a giveaway, and I will give this away in my video. So, if you want to win this, Share this page, subscribe, send it to all your friends, get people to subscribe, and at 200 subscribers I will do a giveaway and give that brush away. And this brush retails for $99. Says TBH, there's nothing this superpower skincare device can't do. Made with ultra hygienic silicone, it uses sonic vibrations to deep clean, help purify pores, and treat your face to a lifting and toning massage. Huda's tip is work this in small circular motions while cleansing, and even your heaviest makeup won't stand a chance. And here's the Hydrating Mist I couldn't find. It retails for $35. And it was this, the Coco Mist. And it says, an essential in Huda's kit, this multi-use face mist. It uses 3 different kinds of coconut oil, milk, and water to prime your skin, set your makeup in place, and refresh dry, dull skin for an overall dewy look. Huda's tip is, when I want even more radiance, I'll use this mist to dampen my makeup sponge instead of water. Which that is a great idea. Never thought about that. Okay, so it says Beauty Boss by numbers. From makeup artist to international mogul, Huda Kattan has some pretty epic career milestones. In 2010, Huda left her job in finance to start a beauty blog. 45 million average views her blog now receives each year. In 2013, she launched with the release of their Huda Beauty launched with the release of their iconic false lashes, which are almost always sold out. $49.3 million. At Huda Beauty's follower count on Instagram as of print. So when they sent this out, there was 49.3 million followers on her Instagram. 1,500 number of retail stores carry Huda Beauty products. It says, get her glam. Want to see Huda's created her signature GBX look? Scan this QR code for a full tutorial. So if you want the code, here's the code. Maybe you can pause it, take a picture. And look forward for some reviews from me for these products. I cannot wait to use these. And like I said, guys, if we can get to 200 subscribers, I will give this PMD brush away. It is brand new, never been used. It came in this month's box. So if you want it for free, it retails $100. Let's get this channel growing. I know I've got like 9 subscribers, which ain't many. I just really haven't posted much on this channel, but I'm trying. But if you want to win this brush, let's grow. Get my name out there, my videos, and man, give me some subscribers. So for now, thanks for watching. And this is the AFC's November box, Glam box. Thanks for watching.